This video shows Spike Prime attempting the WRO2026 senior competition. Apart from two 90-gram weights to improve the balance, only Lego parts are used. A strategy was developed which collected 178 points in 100 seconds. Stay tuned to see how this was done. As Spike Prime only has 6 connections for sensors and motors, the decision was made not to read the mosaic colors. 6 yellow and 6 blue mosaic pieces were simply placed on the mosaic, giving 60 points plus about 15 points for randomly correct colors. For the cement, it is difficult to get access to the white dropping area, but the other 3 colors are no problem, so 30 points can be collected. The 3 tools can be moved to the required positions while the robot is moving around for the mosaic and cement tasks, so that no additional distance has to be covered for the 45 points available. If this is all done without disturbing the barriers, 28 bonus points are added to the total. Okay, to end with, let's do the whole run at normal speed. That completes our Spike Prime strategy for the WRO 2026 Senior Challenge. There may well be a way to score even more points with Spike Prime, but it would almost certainly require reliably reading the mosaic colors, a difficult challenge with the available ports and hardware. Other robot platforms may make different strategies possible. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck with your WRO competition.